Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. In this video, I will just get right into telling you what we're doing because this is the type of video that I love doing. So I was reading through Daily Mail on my Snapchat, which I don't usually do, but for some reason I was really bored. So I was reading through it and something caught my attention, and that was the secret of world's most comfy shoes. And instantly I was intrigued because if you know me, you know I'm on a quest for comfort, and shoes, I've come close. I've come close to the comfiest. I think my Adidas slides are so comfortable. But runners, I don't know. So basically, this article said, founder of Star's favorite sneakers revealed the eco-friendly ingredients that make his footwear feel like slippers, and many celebrities have said that these runners are the comfiest ever. I don't know if that claims them to be the world's comfiest, but that's what they're basically trying to be, so that's what I'm testing them for. So immediately after seeing this ad, I was sold, and which is great that they sold me so good. I wonder how many other people they did. I went to the website Allbirds and I looked at the runner, and it is a woman's wool runner, and they're $135 Canadian, and they don't do half sizes. So I got a size 7, and I got it in this like natural gray, light gray sole. Basically, that's all I have to say. And that brings us to now. I'm currently awaiting my shoe, and then we are going to test them and see if they really are the world's comfiest. We'll see.
4 to 6 days later.
All right. Okay, so we have the runners right here, and I'm gonna open them up. This only took like a couple days to get here, so that was pretty good. Ooh, that's really cute. The packaging's super cute. Better shoes in a better way. I hope that's true. Wow, their packaging is really nice. Okay, this is really, really weird. It feels like a fleece blanket that you would have like in a camper. And I would know, because I went camping. Okay, but here's what they look like. They definitely feel different than I thought they would. They feel very woolly and soft, but like kind of like a wool sock is what it feels like. I want to feel the sole because that was what was apparently made out of like bamboo or something. I'm going to take off my current reigning champion. These are comfiest shoes by far, but we'll see. Oh my goodness, I almost put my foot on the X-Acto knife. All right, let's see if we can find a comfier shoe. Also, there wasn't half sizes, so I sized up to a size 7 from a 6.5, and they feel like they fit me perfectly, so I don't think that will be an issue. I just quickly want to put a disclaimer in here. This is not sponsored by Allbirds, these runners. No, I strictly saw this on Snapchat and thought it would be a fun video because I love comfortable things. I'm wearing sweatpants right now. Proof. So I just want to put that out here. All of these are my own opinions. This isn't sponsored at all. If it was, I would still give my honest opinion, but it's not sponsored. Allbird doesn't know me. These runners don't know I exist. That is all. Enjoy. Super cute, Mia. Oh my gosh. Thank you. How do they feel? They feel comfy. Merino wool. Merino wool, Mia. Do you do research? That's what you're supposed to wear when you're super cold skiing. And it prevents you from sweating, but it keeps you warm and it regulates the temperature. So I'm super excited about these shoes. Good, they're your size too. My feet can't break. She also has the Adidas slides. Courtesy of you. Yeah. Okay, so far these shoes feel really great. One thing I will say is they're super soft, but they aren't really like squishy on the heel. Like it's soft to feel, but not super squish. By the picture, I thought they would look like my Nike Roches, but they actually look a little bit more bulkier than that, which really isn't a bad thing. I think it just has more cushion all the way around, whereas those are more thinner fabric. I think all the fabric on these have like padding. But okay, so here's my issue. Let me set my camera down. So of course, when I first put on these runners, they're very comfortable, but my issue personally is that my knees and the back of my legs will start aching really, really bad when I stand for too long. And I think it's because my feet need like more support than normal. So I thought a good way to test these shoes was to go about a really long and strenuous day of walking around. So today I'm going for lunch with my mom, and then we're going to IKEA. And at IKEA, you walk.
A lot.
So we'll see if these shoes keep my feet supported, because when I wear my Adidas slides, my body doesn't ache after walking around, whereas if I wear anything else, they do. So let's see if these can keep me comfy. I already had to go in for a breath test this morning, and now I'm in again. Get in, man.
Sure, move, eh?
Yeah, someone keyed my car this morning. I don't know who it was. Okay, so I know I breezed over that like it was nothing, but yeah, while I was at the hospital, some random person keyed my car, and the reason why I'm smiling like an idiot is because it's a coping mechanism, because I'm pretty mad because my car body is actually like mint, and now there's a big key mark on it. So yeah, that sucks. Gang's all here. Gang's all here. Yeah.
Mom?
Sure.
Yeah. Sorry. Mom, there's none.
Sorry, Mom, and I already put mine in my
So
mouth.
did I.
Ah, bite it in half, I'm good.
Mom?
Thanks, Dad. Alright. Okay, I've been walking, we got food, now we're going in to get some face wash. My feet feel amazing, I'm not lying. So comfy. Okay, we just arrived at IKEA, got the shoes on. They feel actually like walking on clouds, not kidding. My mom is jealous. Totally. She's jealous. But no, they're really comfy, but I haven't done a lot of walking, but I'm about to. I'm really tired already, and I haven't even gotten in yet.
Good thing you got those shoes then.
Looks good. I like that lamp. I want a lamp like this, but bigger.
Yeah.
And not this.
We'll be able to find. I think they have bigger ones. They have ones that have like 3 or 4 coming up. It's broken.
Hello? Your happy place?
Yeah.
In the bathroom. Oops. Good thing my shoes are so comfortable. I'm breaking things. I love the barn door.
Oh yeah. Isn't it great?
I actually really like this pillow. Oh my goodness. Whose room are we in? 57 divided by 12?
Yeah.
4.75.
So each side is 4.75.
I don't. No, mommy. No.
Pretty cute too, actually. These striped ones.
Still doing good. Okay, we're done. Only took 5 years. That's okay. My mom has ice cream.
It's yogurt. Healthy.
I got a lot of stuff. You guys will know what I'm buying stuff for soon enough. Okay. We're in the car. We were in there for probably like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Anyway, my feet feel alright. They did start hurting a little, but I think they started hurting later than what they usually would, and I'm not just saying that. I actually think they started hurting later on, and not as bad. Like, I could keep standing, so I think that these are doing better than normal runners. So kind of feels like I'm standing on clouds, honestly.
You shop pretty hard too.
It's true. If you guys want a decor haul, let me know. I'm gonna finish this whole thing. That's what I'm talking about. All right, now we're gonna go, because I wanna buy some t-shirts, because I'm going on vacay. And I realized that I only had one full-length t-shirt. All of my other t-shirts are cropped, and I'm over it. I'm wearing a cropped t-shirt right now. All right, so now we're gonna do some more walking. We're at Best Buy, and I'm gonna go see if they have the Canon 80D. It's a camera I've been wanting for a really, really long time, and I just had to jump through some hoops to get my credit card limit
raised so I could possibly buy this camera. It's a big investment, but I also have used the exact same camera for 3 years now, I think was when I got it. It's the Canon Rebel T4i, so I think that I YouTube enough to need a new one. It's not sure, don't drop it. All right, here it is, the Canon 80D from here on. If my videos look better or have 2 angles, it's thanks to this. This is a huge investment, but I mean, it's my channel. It's all I care about. You're welcome, channel.
I'm actually so excited to use it. I've been wanting that camera for over a year now.
Okay, now on to get t-shirts. Okay. T-shirt. Now we're looking for t-shirts because I only own 1 t-shirt. So, hi. They're the Tommy Hilfiger. I don't know what kind they are, but they're just super soft, very soft. As you can see, my mom is actually wearing one right now. I live in it. I'm thinking about getting the white and beige stripe. This is kind of cute. I really like the stripes. I think they're really cute. Yeah, I think I even like the green. Get one. You wear so many. I feel like I have a lot of t-shirts right now, but when I see your gray one, I almost feel like I don't. Only one of my size. Would I look good in that? Red stripes and maybe a navy. No, but that matches jean color. I think white or black. I love my black one. Okay, you sold me. Got it. It's way bright. Do you want me to look? I don't think I can show the sunglasses. Actually, this is the perfect time to show sunglasses. Yeah. So I just bought 2 pairs of sunglasses because I lost a pair. And so here's the first pair. Sunglasses all look really bad on me, so just we're making do. Pair. This is me. This is me with my new sunglasses. All right, and we've been walking all day. It's like 6 o'clock or something now. So, and my feet usually would be killing me, but they're only like slightly aching. So that's actually quite big. And I think I would know it more if I did a full day, the exact same with different shoes and then with these, but I think they're doing pretty well. So we're gonna go home now. Okay, I just got home. You know what though? I gotta give these shoes credit. My feet felt pretty good. Like if I was wearing Converse, I love Converse, I love the way they look, but if I was wearing them throughout this day, my feet would have hurt wicked bad. And the fact that these are eco-friendly, huge thumbs up. Definitely comfortable, and if you have feet problems, I would say trying these probably wouldn't be the worst. And also one thing, I have really narrow feet, but these are more wider runners, so if you have wider feet, these will probably be good for you, whereas the Roches are kind of more narrow for like skinnier feet. So this is good that these are a little bit more wider because I know that's more the usual. So I think I honestly would give them a 9.5 out of 10. I like the way they feel, very soft. Ew, I probably shouldn't put them on my head though. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to try anything else, world comfiest other things, I would be totally down to make this into a series. Love finding comfortable things. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.